Hello, Heart District families, and Happy New Year. I wanted to start off by acknowledging the devastating fires that have impacted so many in the Los Angeles area, and note that we're thinking about you and we're supporting you. Many of our school sites have fundraisers and drives to support those affected by it. I also wanted to mention that if you know of any students who are displaced because of the fires and they're now in the Santa Clarita area, we can register those students immediately, even on a short-term basis. If you'd like more information about how you can help, or if you know of a student that may need educational support, please contact either the district office or your school site. On a related note, I wanted to touch base on the potential and some power outages that we've had at our school sites recently. We actually get notices frequently throughout the year because of fire danger and high winds that we may lose power at a particular site. If we get notification that a site may lose power, we then notify you through our parent square via a message from the site principal. Doesn't necessarily mean we're going to lose power, that school will be canceled, but we want to provide you that information so you can make arrangements in the event that students are released early or there's no school at all. The protocol that we use, if we receive notification that there may be a power outage and then there actually is a power outage prior to school beginning, and it may be an extended power outage, then we will cancel school. We'll notify you through our parent square. If after school begins, but the power goes down in the morning, and it may be an extended period, we'll release at lunchtime. And if power goes down after lunch, we will release students at the normal time. We will attempt to get our school buses to the site as soon as possible, although there may be delays because they're the other routes that the buses do. City buses will most likely be on their same schedule as usual. Also want to touch base on something that I talked about before the winter break. Obviously this week we started a new semester, and I encourage students to really do their best and remind them that it's a new start. I would like to encourage our students and families to make goals for the semester. Students, think of things that you would like to accomplish. We're going to look up and it's going to be May. School will be ending before you know it. So think of what you would like to accomplish at that time. Do you want to raise a grade in a class, raise your grade point average? Whatever it is, put that down as a goal now and try to think of the steps it'll take to get there. Do you want to participate more in class? Really try to take good notes when you're reading, annotate. There's lots of things you can do. Do you need a better place to study? You need to set up a specific time. I just encourage you to talk to your friends and family and make these goals and then revisit them throughout the semester so that when the semester is over, you'll have achieved the goals that you set forth for yourself in this month, January. Finally, I'd like to thank you for listening. I wanted to wish everyone a great 3-day weekend in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I'd like to encourage our students and our families to continue to contribute to the community in honor of his legacy, and invite you to a city-sponsored Unity Walk, which will be occurring Monday morning at 8 o'clock at Central Park. As always, thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.